Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Lacey, nice to meet you. And if you want to know how I got this very dramatic rainbow cut crease, then just keep on watching. So obviously I'm going to start out and prime my eyes. I'm priming them using the P. Louise base and obviously just blending that all in just to get rid of any veiny eyelids that I've got going on, you know. And jumping right into my bPerfect Carnival palette and going in with this forest green colour, and I'm starting out in the inner corner, just kind of building that colour, very concentrated just on the inner part. Then next I'm going to go in with the deep blue colour in the palette and kind of meshing that with the green. Obviously we want that rainbow gradient kind of thing going on, so just making sure the green and the blue kind of blend nicely with one another, but you can still see the blue. The next colour I'm going to use is this deep purple, and again just leading that off from where we left off with the blue and just continuing the kind of, the rainbow, thing. And with a lot of these colours I did kind of build them up so they could be quite intense and quite deep, so just keep that in mind. And the next colour I'm going in with is this kind of like magenta kind of pink, deep rosy pink. It's a pretty nice pink. Don't know if I can say pink anymore, but just kind of building that on into a V shape. And as you can see, I'm being really messy with this. Like, I'm not being too particular or too neat with it, just going ham really. Yeah, so just making that kind of V shape, and then obviously I want the outer part to be really deep, so I do go in with a black just to help deepen that pink up, just so, because I like a lot of depth on the outer part of the eyes, so the black just kind of came in handy for that. Then going in with a slightly lighter pink, I think this one's magenta, I think the name is. And as you can see, and just kind of gradually trying to blend all those colours out. So starting off with the pink area of the look, I'm going to start, blending it out so it's not so chunky and harsh looking. And then I think the next colour I will be going in with is a slightly, again, a lighter pink. Just to help drag that colour out and make it really like smoky looking. Then the next colour we're going to go in with is the purple area, so going in with this kind of purpley shade here and just going to help in blend the purple section of the eye out. And obviously I do like to blend my eyeshadows up a bit more, kind of near my eyebrow, so I'm just going to start blending it like that. And then going into a lighter shade of the blue, and again doing the same thing, just kind of flicking it out upwards towards my brow just so it's all nice blended and just out, And then doing the same thing with this green shade here, and again blending it inwards. I did go in with another green, I think, after this, because I think it was a bit too strong in the inner part of my eye and the nose area. So I go in with this green, a nice lime green. That was a nice green, and again just help kind of fluffing it out a bit. Then once I'm kind of happy with the blend, obviously I'll go back and forth a bit, but once I'm all happy with the blend and how the colours look on my lid, I'm just going to sharpen the edges just a little bit, just because I thought it looked a little bit messy on the lower part of the look, and just going to start doing a cut crease. I do quite a dramatic cut crease, like it is quite a big cut crease, but I think it all looked good in the end. That was the look I was going for that day. So yeah, obviously you can tell I'm like really concentrating on making it look even and not make my eye shape look a bit odd. So to do that, I just kind of go slightly above my actual natural crease, and yeah, so I keep widening my eyes just so I can see where my natural crease, and then on top of it I will apply my concealer. And then going in with this black shade, because I want the pink to blend nicely in with the lid shade that I'm going to be applying. So I apply the black shade just little by little, I don't go too much too fast. And the lid shade is going to be this beautiful sparkly green shade, a very nice shade. And first I'm just, just packing that on the lid. Then to help out with the blend, I'm going in with this green shade here, because it's not too dark, not too light. And I am going to be meshing that in with the lid shade and morphing it into the black. I just thought this helped a bit more for it to look more, not, I don't want to say natural looking, but it just looked more seamless basically. And then for a lid topper, I'm going in with the Berry M eyeshadow toppers, and this is in the shade Supernova. It's kind of like greenish blue kind of tint to it, which I thought looked really, really nice on top of the already green lid that we've already got going on here. And yeah, it just made the green really pop. So once I'm done with that, that's how it looks, and I just go off our camera and do the same to the other eye basically. And then we're going to go in with liner, and I don't do just a straight line across. I mean, it is a line, I don't do anything fancy like a wing on it, anything, but I do my liner a little bit more angled upwards towards the outer part of the eye. I just thought it made it look really dramatic and kind of cool looking, so I just did that today. So yeah, you can kind of see it starting to form kind of upwards, but it's all cool. I then do my mascara, just, you know, just get it over and done with basically. And then I get some eyeshadow. I use the black shadow in the palette just to kind of buff out the edges of that liner, just so it's not so harsh. And then it blends in with the black that we've already got on the eye look already, and it all kind of just ties in together. Then I just go in with a little bit of that deeper green shade and just kind of, you know, just do a little extra blend in that I thought needed to be done. But yeah, those are the eyes done. I go off and do my foundation off camera. There I am. And then I start blending out the eyeshadow, because obviously I've done my eyeshadow before my foundation, so I just like it to look, you know, fresh basically. And, you know, blend it out and not boxy looking. So I just go in with this pale pink shade and kind of drag it out towards the temples. I don't go too far out, but far enough out, you know, just how I like it basically. You judge for yourself how you like it. So yeah, just kind of blending that out. I usually go just past my eyebrows, usually. And then I go in with this green shade. And I do more blending in the inner part of the eye, just so I can layer it on top of the foundation now. So it all looks, you know, very blown out. And going in with this blue shade here, at the minute I'm just kind of doing more blending that I thought needed to be done afterwards, so just reapplying that blue shade and just making sure it's still very visible. Then I go in with these pink shades here and I start my way on the bottom lash line. So yeah, just buffing those in on the outer part of the lash line. I then think I go in with the purple, yeah, going with the purple and layering that next to it. Still making sure you can kind of see the pink and the purple going on, and then going with the blue, and then with the green, you know, just to make it, you know, rainbow on the bottom and the top. Then once I'm all happy with the blend, I'm then going to apply some lashes. These are TAHITI lashes, TL2. As you can see, I've already worn them, so they're already slightly worn, which is kind of how I like my lashes. And just applying those ones. I did think they suited the look quite nicely because they're quite dramatic, fluffy looking, which is kind of what I like. Then just for my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going in with my MAC Nylon, just adding a bit of that, and yeah, that's pretty much the look all completed. So yeah, that I'm gonna be honest, the look did take a while to do, but if you've got the patience and you wanna recreate it, go ahead. But yeah, that's kind of how it looked all in all. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see next, feel free and leave that in the comments down below. and you know, I can definitely get on that. But yeah guys, this is finished look. I hope you all enjoyed. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and also follow me on IG. My IG is lacy.makeup, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.